Unlike other people with incredible long hair, I have a terrible track record of taking care of it. So I say that I grow with benign neglect, but sometimes it's not benign. Sometimes it's just neglect. I get bouts of depression. I get busy and I don't take it down from the cinnamon bun for weeks, and it gets massively awful, matted, and tangled and disgusting. So here I'm putting some Lila Rose Detangler on it and using my Tech brush. I love this brush. It's really, really good at detangling. Um, Usually I say work from the bottom. With this I am going from the top, but I also like to press it against my arm here. That's one way that I do it from the bottom, is like giving it that structure against my arm. And I just do it gently and paddle it out from the top as well. And here I'm using my fingers to break apart some of those clumps, and it's just awful. And I always swear to myself, oh, I'm never gonna do this again, but then I do. So imagine how beautiful my hair would be if I didn't do this shit to it. Amazing.
He's gonna have to wash it.
So finally I dyed it and washed it, and it feels so good right now, and I'm trying to hold on to the feeling and remember how silky smooth and wonderful it feels, and to not let it get all disgusting again.